Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making snacks from scratch. Homemade snacks is better than packed food. Medium size eggs 2, whisk the eggs, vanilla essence half tablespoon optional, baking soda 2 tablespoon, sugar half cup, mix everything, all purpose flour maida 2 cups, mix, make dough, keep aside for 15 minutes. Now it's ready. Roll like this, make shapes. Now it's ready to fry. Oil for frying. Drop one by one in oil. Fry on medium heat until changes color. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Powder sugar on top, optional. Yummy homemade snacks from scratch is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.